Hello awesome peoples, in this video I will explain it how you can solve the crash problem in RDF2 in just simple steps. So let's begin and I will show you live proof, so please watch till end. I will give a special link in description. Download that zip. Download the zip folder. Simply download it. My beginning download is completed. Now simply extract that folder and I will explain how you can extract and where to extract. Simple extracting in the home screen. Simply extract. Now see the extraction is begin. Now see the folder is come. Simply copy all the files in this folder and paste into the game folder. Just this. Now please comment that after how many seconds game was crashed. Now second option is now change the time and date. Simple this. Now click on this setting option. Now click on time and date which come in this. Now go to the second option, adjust date and time. Now simply go this first date and time. Now click on this. Now simply go to the advanced date and time and decoration. Now simply click on the first option, date and time. Simply click on this. Now simple click on this change date and time. Simply click on this. Now change the time, change the year and change to 2019 and do any month. Year 2019, date, time, any. Simple year 2019. Thank you for watching. If you like my content, please click like, subscribe and bell icon, and please comment your feedback in comment section. Thank you for watching.